In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a PayPal account so that you can send and receive payment anywhere you are across the world. Let's talk about what is PayPal. PayPal is an online payment platform that allows you to send money securely on the internet without sharing your personal information with the sender or with the recipient. All you need in using PayPal is your email address or your PayPal account name. The security of PayPal is very robust. It has BIOS protection and it's encrypted. So this makes it a trusted platform and it's very trusted in using it online. It's widely used mainly by online shoppers. It's used by freelancers, persons who are making money online and collecting their payment through the PayPal platform, and just to do other transactions sending from persons to persons across countries, even for remittances. So there are a lot of persons who use the PayPal platform. So basically it's just another payment platform online solutions that you can use. It's just another one. I've been doing a series with online payment solutions. You can see the link above where I share another one with you. I share Payoneer as well. It's a MasterCard that you can use. You can go ahead and watch that video if you need to, or if you need that as well. I've been using PayPal since 2014, so I know what I'm talking about. 10 years is a lot of experience, and I've consistently used Payoneer over the years since I've had it until now. And I'll share with you 3 ways how I use PayPal. For me, I don't really collect payment on my PayPal account. If it's necessary, I'll collect the payment there, but it's not my main platform for collecting payment. What I use PayPal to do is to shop online. There's sometimes some online sites that I might not be sure about. If they have PayPal option, that's the #1 option for me, because I wouldn't have to expose my card to that. Sometimes I'm using a debit card. As well as I mentioned, it's a debit card. If you use the PayPal, it's a more secure route, which means they don't have your credit card number. You haven't put your credit card number. And it's very easy and seamless. When you're using PayPal, all you have to do is click your PayPal account and it will activate and collect the payment without you putting in a card. So sometimes I might be on the road and doing something online. I don't have the card in front of me. I'll just select the PayPal option and that payment will go through. So those are the ways in which I use my PayPal, and as you can see, some of the payments and charges here in my PayPal account. And it doesn't matter where you go. Once you're registered and you have that account, nothing really changes, because I've lived in different countries. I've lived in Jamaica and elsewhere, and nothing changes about my PayPal account. The same address is still there, but it's still active. I still use it. You don't need to re-verify or to change your account for any reason. So I really love using PayPal. Another way how I use PayPal is when I'm doing subscription, like monthly subscription online. If PayPal is an option, I'm going to select the PayPal option. Why? Because I can manage that subscription through my PayPal account. You can go in your PayPal account, and maybe if you want to cancel that subscription, you can cancel it from your PayPal account, because sometimes you might be doing it and you'll have to contact the person who's providing the service for them to cancel the subscription. I think that's just too much. And you can manage your subscription. You can go through, see what you're subscribed to, what is being charged every month, and if you want to remove it, just unsubscribe or make it inactive, and it will stop charging your card. That way I wouldn't have to change my card, or I wouldn't have to contact the provider. So that for me is one of the main purpose of using my PayPal account. Hello everyone, my name is Tamika. Welcome back to my channel, and on my channel I help you thrive and navigate on the internet. I've got the tools and the insights to empower your online success, your digital success. And remember to like, share, and subscribe. Hit the notification button below. Today I have a tutorial where I'll show you step by step in creating your PayPal account. All you need is your email address and a card, whether a credit card or debit card. I'll show you how to attach that to your PayPal account. So whether you're new to online transaction or you're just looking for another way or another payment option online, you're in the right place. So get ready. We're going to start in creating your account. Creating your PayPal account is free, so you can follow along. All you need is your email address and a card, whether a credit card or debit card. I'll show you how to attach it to your PayPal account. PayPal is a fantastic option. Let's get started. Visit the official PayPal website. So you're going to type in PayPal. Go on the PayPal website. It's www.paypal.com, and I'll share the link in the description below. So now we're on the PayPal website, and once you get to the home page, you'll see the button that says sign up. The login is for if you have your PayPal account already, but we're going to create an account, so we're going to hit the sign up button right here over on the right hand corner. And when you get to this page, it's going to ask you whether you want a personal account or you need a business account. For most individuals, the personal account is sufficient, and therefore you're going to click on personal account, which is right here, and you're going to get started. The business account just gives you more option, and then it's asking you which country you're in. So say we're in the Cayman Islands, so we're going to click get started. So now it's asking you for your email address. So we're going to include our email address. Ensure that you're typing in your email address the correct way. You're going to hit next. Going to know it's asking you for your phone number, so you're going to type in your phone number here, and then you're going to hit next. So you're filling out your personal information. It's going to send you a code. Once you get the code, you input the code, and then it's going to ask you to create a password. So you want to ensure when you're using your password, you create a secure password. So most of the time you want to select letters, numbers, and characters or symbols. So here it's asking you for letters, numbers, and symbol. So you want to go ahead now and create a password. Create one that you remember and one that is secure. Then hit next, and then it's going to ask you for your personal information. So you're going to put in your name, your middle name, and your surname. You're going to include your personal information. So you're going to put in your nationality. It's asking for an ID, whether your passport or your driver's license, and your date of birth. So once you create that account with your address, then you're going to agree to create the account. So you enter your address. Now you're going to agree to create the account. You just select that you have read and agree to the PayPal agreement. Once you verify your account, it says you're almost done. How do you want to use your account? Whether you want to shop with PayPal or you want to shop and receive payment. So you can shop and receive payment. We'll do that because we want the PayPal to be flexible. So now it's going to ask you for your card. So you're going to link a card to your PayPal account. So you're going to get your account information here. You're going to fill out the account number, the type of card, the expiration date, the security code. And there you have it. You've successfully created your PayPal account. Now you can start using it for online transaction, for shopping and more. So you've linked your card. Now you can log into your PayPal account, and you need to go to your email address and confirm. This is the home page with your name, your account details. Here you can go ahead and change the details. If you want to change your phone number, your email, you have security. So you can see your wallet here. And here you see the card that you've just linked. And if you have any charges to your account, they will appear here. So I'm going to log out of this account. That's the new one we've created. And then I'll show you what mine looks like. There you can see it's very secure. It's asking me to confirm. So I have to send to confirm to log into the PayPal account. So I'll send the code to my phone. The code is accepted, and this is my PayPal account. So you have the home page here, you have different charges there. I've added 3 bank cards to mine. Right here it's a MasterCard, it's a debit card, then it's another card. Then I can send request here. I can send money or request money there, and as promised I'm going to show you how to do that in another video here. And if you go in wallet, you'll see the same card there. Activity, you'll see the different charges that have been done to the card over the last few months. Go back to wallet, and that's basically it. You have your settings here where you have your security, your details there. You can do your 2-step notification right there. You have under payments as promised. I show you where you can remove the payment if you have an automatic monthly payment where you can manage, and I have a few active here. So I can just come in and show making them inactive. And you have your notification whether you want to get it through email, on your phone as message, and I do both email and my cell phone. So there you have it. You successfully created your PayPal account, and now you can start using and shopping. You can start shopping, you can start use your PayPal account online. If you found this tutorial helpful, and there you have it. You successfully created your PayPal account, so you can go ahead and you can start use it for shopping. You can transfer money online. If you found this video helpful, you can go ahead. Remember to like, share, leave a comment if you successfully created your PayPal account, and remember you can leave a comment if you need assistance, and I'll get back to you. Hit the notification bell so when the next video is released, I'll do a few more how to do send and receive your transaction on PayPal, and how to add your card and link card to receive payment from your PayPal account. See you in the next video. Bye.